One of my tenants' stove broke, like the cooking thing. So I'll talk a little bit about that in this video, and then I have the DJI Mic Mini that I've had for a few months. I'm not really that happy with it, so I'm going to buy a DJI Mic 3 and see if it's any better. So you can hear the sound from the Mic Mini, so we'll listen to the sound from the DJI Mic 3 later in the video. So I haven't been that happy with the results of this one. I have a DJI Mic 2 too, because like when it's windy, it's not that good. So I'm standing now at a gas station at the midway to where I'm going. Let's get started. I actually worked at not this one, but like one of these gas stations for almost 10 years previously. Not because I needed the money for the entire period, but just like because I like working there, which is kind of crazy. Anyways, let's get to the store. So I got a little bit distracted and found some food. I'm at the electronics store, so I'm going to go in and get the new cooking plate and the DJI Mic 3. I got out of the store, I got the new DJI Mic 3, and then I impulse bought a coffee maker from Siemens. And actually what I needed to go get was the cooking plate, and I don't have that one yet, so I better go get it. And finally I got the stove thing, right? So next time I should probably bring the wife, it's much cheaper, so I'll go home and unbox the DJI mic, charge it, and talk a little bit. I tried connecting the new DJI Mic 3, so then you can compare, like, do you think the sound is better than previously? So back at the beginning of the video with the cooking plate. So I bought the new one. It was like 130 US dollars, euros-ish, right? So that's the price for the cooking plate. Then you need an electrician in Denmark to install the cooking plate, which is a little bit more. So when we put that together, then we have like a total price of like around 260 to 300 dollars. I know euros is a little bit more than dollars, but that's like the fixed cost of like buying the countertop, like buying the cooking plate, and getting the electrician to install it. Then the most expensive part is actually how much time we spend doing stupid things. So that means, like, if I spend 2 hours trying to go get it, that's not good. So like an idea is sometimes to ask the tenant, oh, okay, I don't have time to pick it up. Can you maybe help me pick it up? So that's like a good idea. So if they can pick it up, awesome, right? Then you don't need to pick it up, and then you can get maybe pay the electrician a little bit more to get it installed earlier in the day. But what I did is I just gave them some money for pizza. Then I have a extra cooking plate at home, so I just let them come by, pick that one up, and then they can use that for cooking for the weekend. And then I'll get the electrician out to fix it on Monday. Anyhow, what do you think? Are there like a difference with the DJI Mic 3 versus the DJI Mic Mini? Like outside, I'm recording using the DJI Mic 3 now, and then you can compare it to the beginning of the video. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. Yell at me in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.